and I bet my mic is off and this whole video was silent. Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm glad you found me. I hope you stick around, and if you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I have a Beebeecraft unboxing. They have a wonderful YouTube program, and you only need 100 subscribers to qualify. I'll put the links below. I'll put their website link and my affiliate links and the link to each item that I'm going to unbox for you today. This is my second order from Beebeecraft. I loved the first order and I couldn't wait to do it again. And all you have to do is make an unboxing video. 1 week later, make a project with the items that you had received, and then 1 week later make a second project video. They let you pick out about $40 worth of goodies, so it's a very generous order. So here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this second order. I was very happy with what I got the first time around, and I'm really happy with this second order as well. The first thing in it are these beautiful Christmas ribbons. I'm going to set the whole box aside and then have more room here to open. The Christmas ribbons were $10.89 for this big pack, and they're like a grosgrain ribbon. They're all attached at the top, and look at this. I mean, there's a ton of ribbon here. We have all of these beautiful Christmas designs. We have the mittens and the white with the gold metallic snowflakes. And these pieces are super long. Let me see how long they are. Maybe a yard each, I would guess. They're bigger than my measuring mat on my table, which is 24 inches. Okay, so we have the mittens. We have the gold snowflakes on the white, and that's metallic gold. It's so pretty. In this green one, we have more snowflakes. And we have some really pretty Christmas trees on this red. This ribbon is really nice, and it's blank on the other side, so you can use either side. Obviously, you'd probably want to use the printed side. These cute snowmen on the green, and the same thing with the red, these cute snowmen. This white one with the gold Merry Christmas. As you can see, it's metallic. This red one with the Christmas presents. The red one with the white snowflakes. This is Santa with the ho ho ho. Very, very cute. And this green one, the same thing, the Santa with the ho ho ho. And here's another Santa. And this one looks pink. Pink with white snowflakes. And this red one. Oh, I love these snowmen. Look at that, with the fun hats on them. Oh, those are so cute. And these Christmas trees. So pretty. This is a lot of ribbon. And then we have the white snowmen on the green and the red snowmen on the white. We have this green one with the white snowflakes. And more of these Christmas presents on white. And the Christmas presents on green. They're so pretty. white snowflakes on red, blue with presents, and that doesn't even have to be Christmas. Those presents could be for a birthday or something too. Another one of these snowflakes and circles, and then Merry Christmas on the green. And like I said, these are gorgeous ribbons, and they're very long, very cool. They're attached up here at the top, so I don't want to unattach them yet. I don't know where I'm going to end up storing these, but they're so cool. I love them. That was definitely, I think, well worth the price. And this is paper stationery with envelopes, and I think this was $12. And you have these packs of paper with envelopes, and I think there's 2 of each style. Sometimes when I send things to people, I like to add a note, and I think that would be really cool. So let's open one of these and see how these envelopes are. And we'll measure it as well. I don't know if you can hear that's thundering outside. This is floral letter paper. And it says, "Please always know that I love you more than anything else in the world." It says it up at the top there. And these envelopes that are lined, I got it mostly to be able to use the envelopes. And let me measure this envelope here. It is a little more than 3.5, not quite 3 5/8 by 5 5/8. So it would almost be for a 4-bar card, I believe. I think those are 3.5 by 5. I don't know, or maybe 3 by 5.5. I don't know the size of those. I have to look them up. But a really nice note card would fit in here as well. And then you've got the paper. So you've got, each one has one. It has 3 sheets, 4 sheets of the stationery paper. And then there's this piece of paper in there. And you can't see it on the camera, but it is a textured, you can hear that. It's not quite a cardstock, but it's textured. And I don't know if it's in there just as an extra padding for the envelope, but it definitely could come in handy for card making. So you get 2 envelopes and 4 sheets of paper in each one of these packages. They're nice to give as a little gift. You could gift these with some postage stamps, especially if you need a gift for a hostess or for grandma or something like that. Anybody that likes to write letters. This one says, "Love does not consist in gazing at each other, but in looking outward together in the same direction." I want to see what it has for that extra piece of paper inside. Oh, that one has a pretty, look at the shimmer on that. So each one of these has a really pretty piece of extra paper inside. And I wonder if it was just for padding. But, you know, we're not going to let that go to waste. No way. And those envelopes are really pretty. And the design on the paper matches the envelopes. So pretty. And then we have this one. And And then 2 of these. So pretty. Some are in other languages that I cannot read. Probably French. I cannot read those. I love that one. Look at that. That envelope is so pretty. I want to take that one out. Look at that envelope with the cutout. That is gorgeous. And I want to see what pretty paper is in this one. Like the first one, it's kind of like a beige color. It's not quite white, but it has a pattern on it, a texture to it. It feels like a canvas, like a painting would be on. Very pretty. And then 2 of those. So that is a gorgeous stationery set. And then the last thing I got was more paper. The first time around I got glitter paper, and this time I got metallic paper. And these papers measure, let's see, almost 8.5. They're about 8.25 by 10 3/4. So it's not quite 8.5 by 11, but they'll work. You can probably still get 4 mats out of each one if you're going to mat your cards. And this is the metallic paper, and the camera is not doing it justice. But what's really cool is it has the same design on both sides. So we have the lavender, and this is like a burgundy color. Get 2 sheets of that. It looks more red on the camera, but in person it looks a little more burgundy. This is kind of a goldish color. Looks a little more orange in the camera, but it's more gold in person. And then this is silver. And this is a navy blue. And it does have such a pretty shine. The camera is not really showing that shine. And this is almost a salmon color. And this is a light pink. It's lighter pink in person than it's showing on my camera. And this is kind of an off-white. And this is a pretty light blue. And a yellow. That would be good for fall. That's a very good fall color. And then there's a second pack, and I believe it's got the same colors in it. Let me open it just to double check. We have the purple, yes, probably the same. The purple, the burgundy, the gold, the yellow, the silver, the dark pink or the salmon, navy blue, off-white, light pink, and the pretty blue. So they're just in a different order, but it's the same. And this pack of paper was $16.49 for this pack with all of these sheets. So if you have a YouTube channel and you have at least 100 subscribers, head on over there, check out their YouTube program. If you don't and you like what you see, head on over there. Follow my links below, please. I think they have free shipping on $25, I want to say. I'm not exactly sure. I will put that below. Sometimes they run specials like that. If there's any coupons or specials, I will link them below. Thank you everybody for watching and checking out my Beebeecrafts haul, my second Beebeecrafts haul. Please do click the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when I upload the next videos. I will be posting one video next week and one the week after with projects that I make using these goodies. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate all of you. If you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafteria, please go over there and check it out. And if you haven't yet checked out my Patreon page, please go over there and check it out. I have 5 different tiers over there. I have card kits and Happy Mail and just a card and all kinds of really neat little things. So head on over there. You may just end up with some of this stuff in your Happy Mail. You don't know. I don't know. I don't know until I pack them up. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Like I said, I appreciate all of you. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.